Hey guys, Polar Express 2 here, and today I am with Mario Belente, and he's going into his mom's closet right now. And I am doing a review on my Nerf guns, and there's some of my brother's Nerf guns, and my brother Daniel's gonna help me. And this is pretty much a lot of my Nerf guns. My big brother has a bunch of them. There's Stella. You've seen that video much, Stella. You've seen your video. Yes, she has a video that she was 9 weeks old. So let's get to the Nerf guns. Here's some clips. This is my brother's clip. And this is, here, get all the clips. Just put all these down. Here's my Nerf Elite clip, my 18 clip, and my little brother's clip. So now let's get on to the scopes. I only have one scope, which is pretty good.
That's an extended barrel, it's not a scope.
And this is like pretty good. No, wait, it's a barrel. This is a barrel. It's very nice. And even with the gun, it's a sniper rifle. It's yeah, my brother's putting it together. Good job. Oh, make him.
Hold on,
Yeah, he puts those away. We're getting on to the stocks. So this is one of my stocks. It's for a water gun, but I don't care. Still works. This is a stock, and this is. Hold on, let's get a better angle. Dan, go over there. It's a huge rifle, that's all I have to say. It's a really fast reloading gun. And it's pretty much a sniper rifle. So yeah, let's get on to some other guns. Say hi to Mario. Mario? Hi. Okay. So this is a stand. We'll look at the gun first. This is my brother's automatic gun. That is very fast. And it came with this thing. And yeah, he's gonna put it away. This is my shotgun. It's really my brother's, but this is a shotgun. And Dan, if you could just show this. Yeah, this is the full gun. And you have to do it like that. There's a nice sight on it. To move this,
you could put a scope here.
And I'll show you this one. Dan, film me, please. Okay, guys, hi. No, Dan, the other way.
Oh.
Okay. Hey, guys. Shotgun. Yeah, so let me keep the camera, look at some other guns.
We showed you that one already. And here's the Rampage.
That's the one that takes the light.
This one loads really fast. So, Nick.
What?
Could you hold this?
Hold on.
There's my.
This is fast. Yeah, and this is the thing for it, and this is the gun with the clip in it. It's really fast. Oh no, what is that? Sorry about that, guys.
Someone's
Hold on. I don't know what that is. Hopefully it stops. Put it in this way. Oh, you have to load it. No, Dan, you're breaking it. Here, sorry about that, guys. Loaded. Okay, we're back, guys, and we're gonna go over some of my other. This is my brother's other machine gun.
It's pretty slow.
Yeah, it's pretty slow, but it holds 50 bullets, and that's pretty good. And there's, we showed you that shotgun, the sniper. I have to say the sniper is the best one here.
Here's the sniper with the clip.
Yep.
And here's the rampage with
If
the
you
clip.
just film and Dan, could you show him some other? Could you just set all the things? Show it to him. Film him. Okay, guys, I'll be right back. Okay.
Here's the rampage.
Hello.
Here's the shotgun with the. Oops, sorry about that. The clip. And I'm gonna put this